用し、安全運転してください。
Guess who's here?
Hey.
We're on the way to pick up Christian, and then we'll be on our way to the destination. Hey, what we doing, bro?
We're gonna go buy some exclusive shoes.
Oh, shoes?
Yes.
For who? For you?
For her.
Oh,
Please, let me in.
who's her?
Hmm?
Who's her? The monster inside the garage?
The monster under the bed.
Wait a minute. Alright, Christian. Are you satisfied with your purchase?
We're more than satisfied, I ain't gonna lie.
Are you gonna reveal it? You wanna reveal it right now? What are they called?
Let's do it.
I got a
They're
delivery.
called Forgiato GTRs, man.
Damn, what a baller, bruh.
Lights out.
Come on, bro.
Damn, that shit looks sick, bruh. What a fucking baller. Look how fucking, look at those lips. I can kiss them right now. Wait a minute.
The fronts are 22 by 9s. The rears are 22 by 10 and a half.
Bro, look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit. What the fuck? That shit is crazy. And where we at right now?
We're in SJ.
We're in the fucking bay for these, bro. That shit is crazy. Hey, good purchase or what?
Hell yeah.
And these are going on what car?
The LS400.
LS400.
Oh.
1997 LS400.
It's actually going on his Sonata.
This is probably the biggest wheel I've ever seen in my life. 22s. The most I probably seen was like a 19 or 20, but holy fuck, 22s are fucking huge. Look at that shit.
I'm pretty sure.
Hope so, dude. I'm getting crushed.
Put a seatbelt over it.
It should be.
Bro, this shit looks so nice.
How you feeling?
I just,
You busted a nut?
wow. I think I want to sleep with it tonight.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Jackson's sleeping in his crib.
I think the wheel's too big.
Are you serious? Look at this shit. Look how we set this shit. What the fuck?
You're not crash, bro. I'm dead.
Oh hell no.
Some Forgiatos, huh?
What a baller, bro.
That's crazy.
And these retail for like what?
There's 7 bands.
Anyways, we're gonna head out, probably get some food, and we'll see you guys when we get some grub.
Just eat some
Oh, yeah.
dirty ass hands.
Oh yeah, bro.
We eating good. Oh yeah.
Eating hella.
Oh yeah. But what we got in the back though? What we got in the back though? Sheesh. Nobody hauling like us though, bruh. Who hauling a set of 4G autos, bruh? At In-N-Out. Come on, bruh.
It's like those videos where they're flexing money and they just get snapped.
Good day today, huh, boys? And we busted a mission. We started at what? Like 9:30? 11:44. And it takes about an hour and like 40 to get back home, so. Yeah, GG's. Get a load of this guy. What you doing over there?
Checking on his kids.
Alright, Christian. We here at the crib, and what did you just do, huh?
I just got some new shoes for
Oh.
her.
Wait, Those aren't new shoes. Or you mean... Sheesh! Here's the stocks. We just put the fronts on this side, and then the rears. Damn, son. That shit look pretty good, dude. Damn.
4Gs for some 4Gs.
4Gs, bruh. They cleared the big brakes too, thankfully. But these are the by 9s in the front, and then these are the big boy, medium boy 10.5s in the rear. Look at that shit. God damn, look at that meat, boy. How you feel? Was it worth it? The drive and
way
the
more
price?
Than worth it. Way more than worth it. I'll do it again.
We're gonna slap on the other side and then go take some pictures with some of the homies. So we'll see you guys then. Alright guys, well, this is the crew for right now. We got my car, and then we got Ryan's car, and then we got Jackie's car. Hey bro, where's the vlog, bro?
Hello. Oh shoot. Oh, hello.
And then we got the Mr. 4G Autos right here. What a beast.
Fortunatos. Fortunatos, best suspension in the game.
And then we got everybody else right here, spectating.
And make sure when I said Fortunatos, you flash the Fortunato product on the screen.
Wow, bad guy. If you guys want to check out the photos, go check out our new page. It is called Economy Brothers Official. It is not Economy Brothers anymore because the other one, the first one, yeah, I can't get a hold of that page anymore. So yeah, we made another Eco Bros account. So go ahead and follow that, guys. And yeah, hopefully soon we'll be able to host our own meet, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip.
12 o'clock midnight.
Alright guys, so it is another night here at the crib. We got everybody here.
Look even better.
Even Jackson's here.
Oh, get it, get it, get it.
What we got here cooking, Christian?
Putting some spacers on.
We got one side on, and then the other side is stock. I'm gonna show you guys stock first, and then I'll show you guys the after. But the fronts, Christian added a 25, and the rears he added a 5 on the 4G Autos, and looking pretty nice, man. Here we got the stock side. Okay.
Don't mind my tires.
Okay, not bad, not bad. And then we got the rears. Okay, not bad either. But the front is what needed the most work. You guys can probably tell. But here is the side with these spacers. Oh, already, bro. That's crazy. He's damn near fender the lip. Oh yeah. And then here's the rear. A little more poked out than the other side. But damn. Here's the side view. Oh, nasty. Hey, Ricky, what you doing here?
I'm drinking. They forced me to come here just to get drunk.
Wait a minute.
Hey, forced. Ain't you driver? Forced.
I came in that car.
Oh, hell.
Oh, hell no.
So you guys are probably here for this part of the vlog. It is finally time to mess with the fenders. On a scale of 1 to 10, I am pretty scared. A solid 8 on messing up my fenders. Here in this little package, I have the OEM clear JDM side markers for the RSX. This came off of the Type R, I believe. I'm gonna try to tap it in with my strobes. If not, my parking lights, but that's probably my main goal, is to tap it into my strobes. It shouldn't be too hard. I think the hardest part is probably getting the adjustment right and the sizing right for the cutout. But luckily for me, I have two that I tried out on a piece of cardboard. As you guys can see here, I use this, you know, and then what I did with that, made sure everything fit snug, and it does. So this is the perfect sizing for the side markers. So hopefully I don't mess up on this paper. I will provide it in the link down below. It shows you the accent line for the little body line on the car, and then the fender line edge where it is supposed to line up. So wish me luck. If this doesn't go up the next day or two, then fucked up on my fenders. But yeah guys, wish me luck. All right, driver's side going on first. Yeah, I'm gonna try to cut this out first and then put some masking tape on top, mark it, and then start cutting. So this is the OEM fender too. I don't want to mess this up, please. No. I forgot to tell you guys, yeah, wear a mask, because you don't want shit just flying into your face. So I can't even see anything in here, bro. But fuck it. Alright, so side marker passenger side, looking good, looking good. And the driver side, oh yeah, I'm fucking with it, heavy. Now I just gotta wire them up and then try to tap it into my strobes. Alright you guys, I just got done wiring the side markers, and all I gotta say is I think I'm a certified hot boy now. I'll reveal it to you guys in 3, 2, 1. Sheesh. It's a light show up in here, cut. Sheesh. So what I did was I had to get extra connectors, longer wires. These are 16 gauge wires, and I basically just extended them to the pigtails of the side markers, and then I tapped them into, don't mind the mess here, I tapped them into the strobe wiring. So yeah, it was pretty simple, easy, and I gotta say, I am very satisfied with it. Oh my god, I'm a hot boy now. These have been sitting in my garage for the past 2 years. I just never put them on. I was too lazy, but oh my, it was worth the wait. With the 0506 front end though, sheesh. Oh my god. Nah, this shit's fire. One more time. It's a light show cut.
Oh fuck, I did too.
Alright y'all, so we are out here, me and Christian, Ethan and Dylan over there, carpooling with us. We're at El Dorado. Hopefully you guys see these pictures once this is uploaded, but about to take some pictures of the scat. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how these came out. Wiring's pretty easy, drilling's pretty straightforward. Out of 10 difficulty, I would probably rate it like a 3 or 4. But yeah, I would recommend installing some side markers on your RSX if you guys haven't already. But I'm probably gonna end the video here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new, subscribe, like, comment down below what you guys think of the new side markers, and I'll see y'all in the next one. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.